Making corporations great again. That's right. Several major American corporations announcing major internal investments and or pay raises for employees. This upon the immediate approval of President Trump's newly signed tax reform bill. But not everyone taking a victory lap, because critics, well, they're slamming GOP leaders for keeping several provisions of the tax bill, which many of them, by the way, they promised to repeal. So who are the true winners and losers from this tax reform bill? Here to discuss, Steve Cortes, Fox News contributor and the Hispanic 100 spokesman, Bob Cusack, editor-in-chief of The Hill, and Katie Frates, Olympic media managing editor and the Daily Caller editor as well. Steve, I want to start with you because you're involved with the Trump administration. You were a spokesperson during the campaign, but you've been somewhat critical of the bill that was passed yesterday, too.
Well, listen, I think it should have been more aggressive on the personal side, but I wouldn't call myself critical. I wish for more, but I'll be happy with the good. Don't make the perfect the enemy of the good. I think, and what's gone on in that bill on the business side, I think is really going to be game changing. And we already saw it, by the way. It's not, this isn't just my opinion. AT&T, Comcast, Boeing, Wells Fargo, all of these companies coming out with really significant changes in either bonuses or raised minimum wages, or both, for their employees. This is a game changer. What we're going to see, I think, Charles, is capital flowing back, number one, into the United States, but number two, into investing again, CapEx, which we haven't seen really in a decade, into American workers, American plants, American technology.
A big PR, though, black eye, Bob, has been the carried interest. And now you have a lot of reports, including reporting here at Fox Business, trying to find out exactly why this major campaign promise was not kept. And obviously, you always connect the dots back to deep-pocketed investors. A lot of people blaming Wall Street, but some are also saying, hey, take a look at Texas. That's where a lot of these private equity deals went down. That's where Chairman Brady was from. What are your thoughts on this? Because it seems to me that that's the kind of issue that could resonate across party lines if they banged the drums loud enough during 2018.
Yeah, no, it was something that President Trump talked about on the campaign trail, but it really was never a serious factor of getting in this bill. And I think a lot of sectors across the board are winning. Walmart's a winner because the border adjustment tax was discarded early on in the process. That was something Speaker Ryan wanted. The real estate industry takes a hit, though, because of the double of the standard deduction, and then that means fewer people will be itemizing. But overall,
all of that I understand, but I mean the idea that, in simple terms, someone says, hey, Wall Street's getting a bigger break than your local fireman.
Yep, no, that's going to be a criticism you're going to hear a lot in 2018 of this bill, and also that the taxes were going to be simplified and H.R. Block was going to go out of business. H.R. Block is not going to go out of business. They're going to get more business because this bill was passed. I will say I did speak to someone very high in the White House last week, and I was told that Wall Street brutalized everyone and they used their muscle, Katie, and it's one of those realities in life that we're just sort of have to sort of admit. It's $18 billion, $10 to $18 billion, depending how you count it. So it wasn't a major money issue per se in the overall scheme of things, but we do see where money meets Washington, D.C., and money sometimes speaks louder than even the will of the president.
You're right. And who knows, maybe this was an issue where this specific problem, this campaign promise from Trump, would have turned a yes vote in the House or a yes vote in the Senate to a no vote if he pushed to have it removed. Maybe this was one of the things that they just had to compromise on to get the bigger campaign promise of tax reform through the House and through the Senate, which they did. And in the end, the winner of this is going to be, it is the American people.
Right, and I think that's the most important thing because, again, you had a lot of folks with their own interests and you had razor-thin margins. Real quick, Steve, there are some other things, making it perhaps at some point the individual tax cuts have to be permanent, get rid of the individual AMT, get rid of the estate tax. Are these things that the Republicans should be confident enough to go out and promise if they can get another bite at the apple?
Yes, and listen, Charles, I think here's the bigger message. This is a pro-growth message. What we've been lacking for a decade in America, and what particularly middle-class people have been lacking, is growth. This is the kind of pro-growth agenda that President Trump promised on the campaign trail, and I call him President Promise Keeper, and he's keeping now as president. This is what we need. This is what will propel us forward into the next century.
All right, and by the way, on that note, We found out today that the third quarter was 3.2% GDP growth, and we're on a cusp now of 3 quarters in a row, 3% GDP growth or better, and that has not happened, I think, since 1999. Steve, Bob, and Katie, thank you very much.